fell.
1 second, I'm gonna take a video or a picture.
This is how you rescue yourself from gravity.
Big hole right there. Post Poland.
Go do what was it, Brett? In the not too past summer. Oh yeah. Yeah. And McDonald's. And so it was supposed to be like a 3-day trip. Yeah. So
Deep in the heart of Coquihalla, British Columbia, lies Iago Peak, towering at 2,269 meters, with an elevation gain of over 700 meters and a distance of about 7 kilometers. Its snow-covered slopes are both inviting and humbling. This is my first ever snowshoe hike and I could not be more excited. So let's begin the journey.
A little swim? That'll be cool.
I think it's safe to say there was a little crevasse over there.
Right?
So we're officially mountaineering.
I know, right? Like. Yeah. We're heading up the Iago. We're almost there, I think.
The first 3 kilometers were mostly flat, offering a steady and calm start.
It's about hour and 20 minutes and we have covered almost 3.5 kilometers so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2.5 kilometer more and then we will be at the summit. Oh, careful, careful!
Oh, dangerous! Too steep!
Yeah, Trevor.
the elevation began to kick in. With a snow underfoot, every step became more tiring. The effort, testing my endurance, exhausted but determined, I pressed on until the trail opened up into a brief flat section. A moment to catch my breath before tackling the final ascent.
We are getting closer to the summit.
Iago?
800 meter more.
Yeah, getting close. Gonna get some good views.
Yeah.
Clouds are high, not foggy. No one around. We got the summit to ourselves.
And it's so. I'm feeling so tired. Oh, this is it. We made it. Oh, all that effort, the struggle,
Very good.
and everything. I hope that
Very
the
good.
struggle pay me off. Give me 200 plus subscribers,
Please,
please.
I need it.
I'm desperate.
I'm really desperate right now. I only got one follower.
So this is the top view.